Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access lock screen. Now tap on screen lock type at the top and select the best one for you by clicking on it, PIN, password or pattern. Now you need to create it. Choose continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Lastly, manage all of those options to adjust lock screen notifications. Click on Done and tap on one of those options in the pop-up. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!